students, welcome to the study of numerical analysis. Today's focus is on the advancing difference formula, which in general is given by one difference of y of a is equal to y of a plus h minus y of a. Now from here, it follows that y of a plus h is equal to y of a plus forward difference operator of y of a. Now moving to the second step, y of a plus 2h is equal to y of a plus h plus forward difference operator of y of a plus h, which we can write, we can substitute y of a with this part here, which is y of a plus the forward difference of y of a. So substituting y of a with y of a plus one difference of a, then plus first difference of y of a plus h, we obtain this. One difference of y of a plus y of h can be written as this. Removing the bracket, we are going to have y of a plus one difference of y of a plus y of a plus y of a squared, it is equal to that. Then we shall have y of a plus twice one difference y of a plus y of a squared. So what we have done here is that we have substituted y of a plus h with y of a plus one difference of y of a. So we have substituted y of a plus h with y of a plus first difference of y of a, and also here y of a plus h, we have substituted it with y of a plus first difference of y of a. Then we have removed the bracket, so here we obtain one difference of y of a. This one will be squared y of. Similarly, y of a plus 3h will be written as y of a plus 2h plus one difference of y of a plus 2h. So we substitute y of a plus 2h with the value which is above here to obtain the following. So since y of a plus 2h is up here, we substitute it here to obtain the following. So substituting the value of y of a plus 2h, the one which is above here, we obtain this value. Then from there, we are going to remove this bracket and simplify. So after removing this bracket, y of one difference of y of a and this one, they will become 3. Then second derivative of y of a, they are 2 here and this one here, so that is why they are 3. Finally, forward difference operator with this other one, they will become power 3. So from this now, we can generalize. So from the above, we have obtained that y of a one difference of y of a plus 2h is equal to y of a plus 2 for one difference of y of a plus second operator of y of a. This other one, y of a plus 3h is equal to y of a plus 3 for one difference operator, y of a plus second difference operator, 3 of them, and plus that different operator y of a. So from these 3, we can generalize the formula, the advancing difference formula as follows. So when you observe above, these are the binomial combination, and if you have y of a plus n8, y of a plus n combination 1 for one difference of y of a plus n combination 2, second operator of y of a plus all the way to the last form. So this is the general formula for the advancing difference, which we can construct using a table. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. Stay tuned so that in the next study, I'm going to show you how you can use the advancing difference formula to solve an equation when you are given some data and you are required to extrapolate the value which is not given, which is extracted from the given data. Bye bye for now. I'll see you in the next video as we continue learning together this topic of numerical analysis.